Well, welcome back to Houston Live. Courtney and Derek back with you on this Tuesday at 3:30.
3:30 on the dot. All right, whether you have kids, you work a full day, or you're just busy in general, and who isn't, there is nothing convenient about getting sick and having to make a trip to go see the doctor.
Lauren Kelly is live in Humble this afternoon making a house call. All right, Lauren, give us the details.
This is really genius, you guys. And like you said, Derek and Courtney, nobody likes going to the doctor. Nobody likes to be in a waiting room that's filled with other sick people. I've got nurse practitioner Sandy Melendez here with DispatchHealth, and we've been talking all about this in-home care. Why don't you give our Houston Life viewers kind of a rundown of what your services are?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are a home visit healthcare
As people
company.
can see by literally us being in the home today of a patient.
Yeah, and we bring the hospital, the medical team to your house, to your office, to your location to provide any type of urgent care type care to these patients where they're located. Even manage some complex medical conditions as well.
I noticed your kit. You've got all kinds of things you can test for. You've got the COVID test, you've got a flu test, you even have an EKG machine. What else does your service provide?
So this is just a small sample of the tools that we have. We do have a moderate complexity lab, so we can test all the things that you mentioned. We can also do point of care blood testing, which gets the results in a couple of minutes.
Sammy, can we just talk about the convenience right there of having your labs and your blood work done in the house instead of going and waiting on those?
Absolutely, and people are surprised that we can get results within 2 minutes.
Absolutely. So when people book an appointment online, they can do so at DispatchHealth.com, and you give them kind of a window of when you're going to arrive, and your team shows up with the equipment.
Absolutely. It's usually within a couple hours. They can call, they can go on the website, or they can even download the application and have, request care on your phone.
Now let's talk a little bit about the seasonal things that people need to be aware of that you guys have been treating frequently, especially with seniors, maybe people that can't leave their house. Warnings for heat stroke, dehydration, you can treat all of those things in the home.
Absolutely. Anything short of, life or death emergencies, which require 911 or going to the ER, we can manage all those things that you mentioned. Minor things, a little bit more complex cases at their home.
And this is just so great because if they do need further care, you can assess them. You can tell them what's happening based on your detail and setup right here. And then if they do need to go on to further health care, that you can suggest that.
Absolutely. If we know they need to go to the ER, we do also, escalate them. That's what we say, to the ER if they need more advanced care.
Does your service accept insurance?
We do. We have contracts with almost every major insurance company, Medicare, Medicaid. And we also offer the self-pay option for those that are uninsured as well.
For the pricing, if we wanted to just compare it, it's probably like an urgent care?
Absolutely. If you have on your card, your insurance card, it'll say the copay for urgent care. That's exactly what you're going to be paying. And
really quickly, I want to mention you guys need a little bit of extra help since there are so many patients in the Houston area.
Absolutely. Houston is huge, right? And we're growing. Every day the volume has increased. So, we're looking for nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, medical technicians to join our team so we can meet that demand.
Wonderful. Well, if you guys want more information, you can log on to DispatchHealth.com or give them a call at 281-204-8727. I think our patient is doing well today. Michelle, thank you so much for applying your assistance. And Sammy, thank you so much for the information. Back to you, Derek and Courtney in studio.
It is pretty cool, Lauren.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
And so convenient.
Yes.